Hey boys and girls, it's Wednesday. Yesterday we talked about key details in a story and we learned about that being important events. Today we're going to use those key details to retell a story. Put your hands on your hips and give me your best Superman pose and repeat after me. I can use key details to retell a story. Very good job. So that's what you're going to learn how to do today. Let's review. What is the setting? You might remember the setting as where the story happens. Now, boys and girls, can we have more than one setting? We sure can. Next, I want you to review what is a character. You might know the character as the person or the people in the story. Can we have more than one of those? We sure can have more than one character. Yesterday, we talked about key details. A key detail is an important event that happens in a story. So, is Molly Lou Mellon standing up to a bully, is that a key detail in a story? Yes, it is. Is it a key detail that Molly Lou had black hair? No, that's not a key detail. It doesn't help or hurt the character. Today we're going to listen to the story and practice our use of and knowledge of key details to retell the story. So let's listen. The crayon box that talked. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. I don't like red, said Yellow. And I don't like, nor do I, said Green. No one likes orange, and no one knows just why. We are just a box of crayons that does not get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and laid out all of the colors so that the crayons could see. They watched me as I colored, with red and blue and green, and black and white and orange, and every color in between. They watched as the green became the grass, and the blue became the sky, and the yellow was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched me till I was through. And when I finally finished and began to walk away, and as I did, I heard that crayon box. It had something to say. I do like red, said Yellow. And green, said so do I. And the blue, you were terrific, so high up in the sky. The picture is beautiful. We are a box of crayons. Each one of us is unique, but when we get together, the picture is complete. I hope you liked that story. Now let's retelling it using some pictures. The first thing that happened in the story was the girl walked into a toy store. And that is a key detail because that tells you who the character is and where the setting is. We can see here that the character is mentioned and shown on this page. We also see that the setting is at the toy store. Next, she overhears the crayon box saying that they don't like each other. This is a key detail because it tells us the problem in the story. It's a problem when people don't get along, and in this story, the crayons are just not getting along. Next, the girl thinks about all the crayons not getting along and decides to lay them all out. Finally, the crayons see that the picture is complete and that the picture is beautiful with all of them and that they are all needed. So each of these major events that we just retold is a key detail, and the key detail helps the story flow. For your assignment today, you're going to need an adult to help you read these boxes. Once you read these boxes, I want you to put them in order 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the event that things happen. Okay, so if you don't have an adult with you, grab one, have them help you read this, and put it in order for the story that we just read. See you guys tomorrow, and thank you for joining our lesson.